Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. To returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you. If you just joined me for the very first time, thank you so much. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bells, and guess what guys, we're about to have a ride of a lifetime. Boma might just be risking strict sanctions from Big Brother. So yesterday they had a jacuzzi night party, and guess what? It was crazy. And at the end of the day, we found Boma and Angel in the same bed. Boma didn't sleep in the head of house lounge. As the head of house, you are to sleep in the head of house lounge. And you know what? As the deputy, he was the one who was supposed to be in charge of the head of house, right? But guess what? He ended in bed with Angel. Those two had some very crazy dance last night at the party, and of course, if you remember, they had conversations about their escapades back in the executive lounge some 3-4 days ago that Big Brother had to even tell them to leave the lounge. Still on the effects of the jacuzzi party, Queen and White Money were in the same bed, and of course, we heard Queen telling White Money that, you know what, she likes him, and of course, she also likes Boma, and she's beginning to look at the fact that who is she going to choose, right? And then White Money told her to choose who will help her win because she has everything it takes to become a star.
So the next thing you don't kill, I'm like, oh. I'm like, I don't divide myself into two.
But you could tell that was cool. You could tell that Liam looked up. Like,
yeah, and I tried to push it at the hope that it would freeze, and I said, okay.
you have everything you want to be a star. You have it. And the thing is that if at all there's anything like you choosing anybody, I would advise you be with someone who would help you win, not distract you.
Yeah.
That's what I advise you. And if
Queen then went ahead to say that, you know what, White Money, you're the one who can help me win, who can help me become a star because you have been there for me from the day I walked into this house even till this moment.
Who will help me win? Because technically you're the one that perceives like the person that will help me to. Like I was telling you know, before you had these discussions, I was talking to Sammy, I told him that you've been the one literally there for me, taking care of me, asking me what I'm going to eat, telling me to go and shower. You know, if I want to do something bad, they will correct me, not to not do it, I should do things this way. Like, he's really literally the one with me. But it was not like I should use my head now, but that he knows that me, I like Mama, but I should use my head and choose a good for one of me.
And then White Money now told her that, what's up? It's not about you going for someone. It's about that person coming for you. Because in the long run, you've got to choose who chooses you.
everything is not about you coming for anybody, it's about the person coming for you too. You understand?
Moving on to my next gist. After the party yesterday, all of them were high, right? And then we heard Michael telling Maria and Claire that if he wants to get down with Angel, he will get down with Angel. But he doesn't want to do that because if he does that, he's going to actually get down with her really well. And in the long run, he doesn't want any attachment as a result of whatever they eventually have.
So why don't you want to fuck her?
Because I don't want to. If I did, I would have.
Because of Jackie? Or?
No, not because of that. I just don't want to. That's just going to be complicated. Going to get attached to me. And I don't want Angel attached to me.
Anyway, I'm going to do my own.
I'm serious. I'm not even fucking around.
You're literally so full of it, aren't you?
No, because I know Angel's a freak and I'm a freak too. And if we fuck, I will fuck the shit out of her.
And then Maria asked him why did he say that, and he said that he prefers Jackie B to Angel.
Trapped. You feel me? I've
So
been trapped.
why wouldn't you want to fuck her over and over and over again?
Because it's complicated. I like Jackie more than I like her. That's why. It's the truth. It's not a secret.
A few moments later after he said that, we saw Jackie B walking past, and Maria called Jackie B and said, you know what, Michael really likes you and he will choose you over Angel anytime, any day.
Indirectly, you're
To
involved.
start with, he would pick you over Angel any day.
Say,
Wait.
see, look, stop playing. Why are you doing that? What does that mean? Does that mean bullshit or?
And he's been avoiding her.
You hear that? You hear that? No, Jackie, did you hear that?
There was a dare that just happened. That's it.
And what happened? And what happened, Maria?
He declined.
Wait, no. She has to hear this. She has to hear
She
this.
came with the games.
And then we saw both of them in the garden holding hands, and of course Michael was telling Jackie B that he misses her, and we saw Jackie B rolling her eyes in ecstasy.
Like, next week is like week 72. Like the 10th week, like you're already there already.
So after the jacuzzi party last night, we saw Angel sitting on J. Paul's laps and she was telling J. Paul that she's actually kissing the guys she wants to get down with to know if she really wants to get down with them.
You are literally the last guy.
Are you serious?
I'm only kissing guys that I want to fuck so that I know if I want to fuck
Me as the last guy because you get addicted to me.
Hello, let's.
Because they say they want to play a game. That's what my kids are going to do. What, dirty man?
Now, just to buttress what she said, we heard Sasuke in a conversation with Pete saying that JMK and Angel went around kissing 3 guys. They went from Boma to Cross and then to J. Paul, and they were even asking her to come and join them in the kissing spree.
They went to go meet Boma, but then kissed them by the time when they finished. They went to meet Cross. They went back to Japan. Now, what did they do? Interesting. They won't try to queen. Come and join us. Is it Queen? Is it Queen? No, she not coming from this. Trust me. Queen herself.
Now, one person who doesn't understand the message that the other person is giving to him is Sammy. We see Sammy and Angel in the conversation, and Angel is still, hammering on the fact that herself and Sammy are not mentally compatible. And this she's making clear to Sammy, but Sammy seems to be like somebody who is not going to relent in his pursuit of Angel.
You vibe with someone on a more mental level. We don't vibe mentally. Like, mentally, we're so different.
Listen to me, girl. Listen to me. Okay, then cool. We don't vibe mentally well. It's fine. If you need to actually define Sammy, it's vibe mentally well, because the truth is actually tried my best. Like, yeah, I don't think I'm supposed to be cool. I know you for sure.
Moving on to my next gist, Saga in a conversation with Perry in the kitchen was telling Perry that, with the attention he's giving to Nini so far right here on the show, right? And for Nini not succumbing to his pressure, it shows that Nini is very stubborn and that any guy that wants to go and try their luck with Nini can go ahead.
Anybody who won't try, they try. She's not actually an easy target. She just looks like that. She's not. She's very stubborn.
Yeah, of course.
She's very good. The kind of attention I've given her, whips it, nothing come out. Like, it tells you she's stubborn.
Yeah, I believe.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So anybody who won't try, they go ahead. She will not even want anything.
After he told Perry this, at night we still saw both of them in bed, right? And of course he was asking Nini for a kiss. And Nini was like, if it's this kiss that will make you sleep, you'd rather stay awake till next week.
Saga, I am asleep. What could you do? You are mad. You will stay awake for the rest of the week. In fact, wear your clothes. If it's kiss, I'll send you to bed. Nobody's in the room. Why are you so fucking concerned?
2 questions I want to ask. Do you think that Jackie B and Michael should get back together? And my second question is this. Should Saga leave Nini alone? Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bells, and guys, so you get notified whenever I post a video. Go on all social media platforms on Facebook and Instagram, on Twitter, and of course on TikTok, and follow me at Olufemi. Until next time I come with very soon, it's bye for now.